This 2022 Jayco Alante 27A is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Myers, FL 33905 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World, Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Jayco Alante 27A is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.